out to my garden. Garrett is installing windows today, more windows. Found another watermelon. Oh my goodness, there's so many.
Try to relay Hey, I just wanted to introduce our new family member or farm member. This is Charlie, and I got it from my wife this weekend. Saw her on Facebook, saw a lady that was taking care of her and looking for a new home for her, so I messaged her, and we met her on Saturday and picked her up. But she had a hurt leg, and then I guess her tail got chewed off, or I don't know what happened to it, but so she had a couple injuries, but she's doing good now. And the reason I got her is because she looks just like an old cat we used to have, named Quincy, that got attacked by a dog, and it was one of my wife's favorite cats. So this one looks just like her, except for she's short hair. Quincy was actually long hair. She was like a Maine Coon or a Turkish Van. But yeah, so this is our new one. She's fitting in pretty good. And her name is Charlie. I know it's kind of weird because we have a cat named Harley already, so we have Harley and Charlie and Jack.
Right, so we're planting 3 rows of Sharon. They look really nasty right now, but it's only because they were kept in full shade, and I've got them in full sun now, so all the leaves are dropping off. But if you look closely, they will bud out again. So they're looking a little fuzzy where the leaves have dropped. They will bud out again and they'll re-leaf again. You can actually see some new leaves already forming. So all these old leaves are falling off and new leaves will come on as they acclimate to the full sun over here. So right here you can kind of see there's a natural pathway going through. So we're trying to create a nice little drift on this side. Eventually this corner will be landscaped with all kinds of plants. But this is going to be the main pathway. I'm not sure what we're going to use, maybe gravel or stones, I'm not sure. So we're planting these 3 right here. That's the automatic water for the animals. So these 3 will be right here so that when you walk through this pathway, you've got trees on both sides because there's a tree here and a tree there. And then we're going to plant another tree right here. So that's the plan. I wanted to show you guys this new tool I got. It's called the Husband 2000, and it digs holes for you. The only thing is it has a little bit of a delay. You kind of have to keep asking it for a few weeks.
Slow to start.
It's slow to start.
once he gets going, it works like a
Works like a charm. Does a really good job though, I have to say. All it takes is to start up is a few back scratches.
Yeah. Some good food.
Some good food, good dinner. How's your eyes? They look so much better. Yes, let's see all that pond now. Yes, what's he doing? Where is he? Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? He does not want this one to pet me. Oh, he wants me. He doesn't want you. Oh. Nope, he's discovered Dad's out here too. Go get him! Go get him! Oh my gosh, Duke. What you got, Duke? What you got? He had a big old branch in his mouth from the fire pit. What'd you get? What did you get? Go drink water. Get some water. He's stubborn. So this is a redbud tree that a neighbor gave me. She dug it up from her own property, and it was just this one little twig with a leaf on it, but it's starting to grow up from the bottom, which is nice.